Welcome guys, in this video I'll be breaking down how you could study for your driving license exam and which app you can use to study the Patenti. This is Media Web. If you want to use this app, all you have to do is to come to this virtual demo. Even though with the password they are the same thing, the questions are the same, no different. Then come here, select A, B, Moto, Auto Vehicle, which means you want to study for Patente B. So you go confirm. On this place here we have exercise, which is esercitazioni. We have simulazioni, which is more like an exam question. This means that they'll mix all the questions together. And we have multimedia. In this place we only have quiz based on incrocio. You see, here we have all the quiz based on incrocio here. Like this one, we talk about which card to pass first, which cards to come again. For example, let's say you're talking about this one, for example. So if you want to answer this question here, you just have to point on this L, which means you think any will pass first. Then you go to D will go second. And you go to A will go last. All you have to do is to play it. Then it will let you know if the question is correct. You see, we got that one correct. That is all about multimedia. And if you want to see if it's wrong, all you have to do is to answer it wrongly. Let's say you come there, D will go first, something like that. A will go second, and N will go last. Play, and you see there's an accident on the road, which means the app will let you know that that was a wrong answer. Go back. Then we have here, which is esercitazioni. This place here is where we have all the argomenti. Here we have quiz normale and quiz difficile. But before I forget, guys, this app, you don't use it to study. I even forgot to say that there's no place like you study the argomento, you know what this sign means or this sign, segnale di pericolo and all. You can't study here. Here is basically for quiz alone. So everything here is for quiz. So if you come to quiz normale, you see argomenti, you see misti, and you see exam. Exam is like the one we just did now. Misti is like they'll mix all the questions together from different argomenti. From there you can select. You can see now we have the one from precedenza. We say nelle situazioni rappresentate figura il veicolo O deve attendere che passano in tram e il veicolo M. So, which is faster because the tram will pass first, but O will pass before M. But we are not doing that. But we can just put fast on it. So when you're done with that one too, we have exam. We already did something like that. We have argomento here. An argomento is a way of you choosing which one you want to do quiz from. Let's say you want to do quiz from classificazione di veicoli, which means that all the quiz you see there revolves around that vehicle. So let's say you want to do quiz on, we have classificazione di veicoli, segnale di precedenza, segnale di indicazioni, segnaletica, semaforici e vigile. Let's try something from segnale di definizioni stradale e di traffico. Let's try something from here. You see, all the question you will see from here, everything is about the road. All the question will come from la strada. So we see here, it says that la carreggiata comprende la piazzola di sosta, which means everything they are telling you here revolves on the road. If you answer this one, which is fast, so you will get the answer correctly. But let's say in the other way you want to answer it wrong, so you get the correction from here, so you understand why the question is wrong. All you have to do is to give it a wrong answer, like this one. La carreggiata è destinata alla sosta dei autocarri. This one here is falso, but let's put vero. You see, it will not tell you the answer here, like, sorry guys, yeah, it will let you know invece è falso, which means this answer to this question is falso, perché la carreggiata è parte della strada destinata al transito del veicolo, non la sosta, which means la carreggiata is made for the transit of vehicles, but not to park your vehicle. The last thing here is that you can answer questions from two argumenti. Let's say you studied precedenza and you have already studied law obbligo. And let's say you studied also limite di velocità. So by you marking these three argumenti, it means that you are answering the question only from these three argumenti. Il segnale era figurato evita maggiore prudenza perché non si ha più diritto di precedenza, which means because you mark precedenza argumento, the questions will come from precedenza, which you put vero. Yeah, that is all. And maybe you want to see the error you'll be making and all, then you can just come to quiz errati. If you come here, it will let you know the error. If you go to argumento, I have no error, you only done one answer wrong now just to prove a point. You come here, you click it will let you know the error you have, which is this one we answered, but we purposely put falso. We purposely put vero to make a point. So if you want to answer it right, you don't want it to be there no more, you just have to say la carreggiata è destinata alla sosta degli autocarri. You put falso. Then boom, you have no more error. When you come back here, you see there is no quiz errati here you can answer. But let's say you don't want to always do quiz, you want to study, then you don't have to use this one. You don't have to use this app, because this app is only made for you to do quiz and it gives you answer. It tells you reason why you failed the question. But if you want to study, we have so many apps. You can come use this one. It's called Quiz Patente Online. So if you want to study here, you just have to come to Manuale di Teoria. Come here. Now we don't need to log in. So you see everything is here for you to study. You see, as the beginning we have strada, we have classificazioni strada, we have definizioni e classificazioni di veicoli, pannelli, blah blah blah. If you want to start, you can go to La Strada, which will show you everything concerning, because this one allows you to study and that other app don't allow you to study. So if you're studying, you can see here we have La Strada, we have marciapiedi, pista ciclabile, corsia di marcia, spazi traffico, corsia di emergenza e banchina. So that is all. I think that will be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.